Norcal Southwest 3095, 1500, climbing via the Hush.
Southwest 3095, Norcal departure, ready to contact, good morning.
Morning.
Southwest 3095 for traffic, turn right direct Saran, maintain flight level 1, enter 0.
Southwest 3095, declared emergency. We just had a rider just we need to return.
Southwest 3095, roger. You are clear to the Oakland Airport via radar vectors. Turn right, heading is 070, and when able, maintain 5000.
All right, 070, 5000, Southwest 3095.
Southwest 3095, information, India is current for Oakland. The wind is 330 at 4, visibility 10. Few clouds of 1,400. The altimeter is 3007. And Southwest 3095, when able, souls on board and fuel remaining, please.
We've got, standby. We've got 85 souls and 5 hours of fuel.
Say again?
Southwest 3095, 85 souls and 5 hours of fuel.
Southwest 3095, copy in. It's a right engine failure, is that correct? You need any further assistance?
No assistance at the moment, but we'll probably have the trucks rolled out just for precaution.
Southwest 3095, roger. And you're ready to come in now, or do you need to burn off some fuel?
We don't need to burn fuel, but we just need to run some checklists.
Southwest 3095, flight heading 100.
100 Southwest 3095.
Southwest 3095, you're ready to come in now, you think?
Yeah, we need a few more minutes. We're still running some checklists here, getting numbers.
Southwest 3095, contact NorCal 125.35, advise them ready to head in, please.
Southwest 3095 is with you at 5,000.
3095 NorCal approach, Delta 3010, advise them ready for the approach.
Local Southwest 3095.
Southwest 3095, fighting 150, vector Southwest Course.
3095.
Southwest 3095, when able, stay in tensions if you want the left approach or visual approach there.
Bigger one than ILS approach, Southwest 3095.
3095, roger, advise them ready.
We'll go Southwest 3095, thank you.
Southwest 3095, fighting 200. Southwest 3095, you know how many minutes you have? Southwest 3095, turn right, heading 300.
Enter heading 300, Southwest 3095.
Southwest 3095 is ready for the approach.
3095, roger, turn left, heading 260, descend and maintain 4,000, vector Bronco course.
260, 4000, Southwest 3095.
Southwest 3095, descend and maintain 3,000. Southwest 3095, do you need extra time to descend?
We're getting down, Southwest 3095.
3095, roger, for the Malta Mito, flighting 270, maintain 3,000 to establish a localizer, the dialect for 30 approach.
270, 3,000 to establish here for the ILS runway 30, Southwest 3095.
Southwest 3095, contact Oakland Tower 127.2, good day.
Tower, Southwest 3095, see you later.